North Georgia is a prime location for custom home building. With easy access to Atlanta and magnificent views of nature, all you need now is the right builder.
I'm David Goulding, and I'm the president and founder of Goulding Custom Homes. I'm a native to North Georgia. This is a beautiful place, wonderful place to live between the mountains and the lake and the outdoor living and the booming economy. This is a wonderful place to settle down with a family. 20 years ago, I formed a company called Ensign Building Solutions that is a building science company. We're well known throughout the area as a solution for other builders to indoor air quality, healthy homes, good building practice. We design and implement quality control programs and investigate problems that occur within new construction.
There are so many moving parts to building a custom home. You want to make sure you have the right team.
Trust is absolutely an integral part of a relationship between a client and a design-build home builder. It requires good communication. We use a smart interactive construction software in order to help the clients know constantly live what's going on. They know what happened yesterday, they know what's happening tomorrow, and it's a place where all of the selections are recorded, contracts, pricing. It really just adds a new level of transparency to every project that we perform. We want to make sure that our clients, not only that their dreams are met aesthetically, but that all those things that are behind the walls, the things that clients don't see, that all those things are done right.
This beautiful home is just one example of how they get it right.
We designed this home to accommodate the needs of our client who has a big family. So upstairs there are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, as well as a craft room and a bonus room and the loft area where the kids will sit and do their homework. On the main floor is just wide open space for entertaining large family gatherings, with the centerpiece of this fireplace a demonstration of the craftsmanship of some of our masons that work for us. It was important for the client to have outdoor living space that they could use regardless of the season. So out here they can sit and enjoy a lakefront property. And of course, gathering space in the basement where the family can come together and enjoy sports or movies. This walk-in pantry is what the homeowner wanted to be, where form meets function. Something that could be beautifully organized, but also aesthetically pleasing.
And it's also what you don't see that makes their custom-built homes so special.
Every client will tell us that it's important to have a healthy home, yet those things that are required in order to create that healthy home often are overlooked. But these are things that we want to pay special attention to. It involves, for example, treating all the framing for mold that might exist on the framing prior to construction, or an HVAC system that is designed with proper ventilation so that there's fresh air brought in on a regular basis. These are things that make a significant difference in the health of a home and the family that's living there. Executing an efficient build process requires a very capable and imaginative team. The homeowners are involved in the creative process, but making sure that we've got the proper team to be able to execute whatever the homeowners want. It's really all about the surrounding cast. We have an expansive network of tradesmen, craftsmen who truly know their trade and can be relied upon for high quality work. Between that, the management staff and the administrative staff, we have a comprehensive approach to make sure and execute an efficient home building process. It's an exciting time to live in North Georgia, and Goulding Custom Homes is ready to help any client who desires to live here turn those dreams into a reality.
For more information about Goulding Custom Homes, visit gouldingcustomhomes.com and go to our website, designingspaces.tv.